In this video, I will share how to change FPS in Capcut PC and phone. Add video to the time track. Then left mouse click on the blank area. You can see that the frame rate is 30 frames per second. Click Modify. Here you can modify the frame rate. The default is 30 frames per second. That's 30 images per second. We choose 60 frames per second. That's 60 images per second. That's it. Click Export. The frame rate will also be modified. We've changed the frame rate to 60 frames per second. Click on Export and that's it. Click on the upper right corner. Here you can change the frame rate. This is to reduce the frame rate to 24 images per second. We set it to the highest setting, to 60 frames per second. That's 60 images per second. Then click the upper right corner again. Click Export. That's it.